শেষ করে যাইব
করতো না
ওগুলো রাখি দিই ওগুলো রাখি দিই
না না ও বুঝতাম পারছি
তাকে দিয়ে করবো
সবচেয়ে ভালো
যাই হতো এগো
এখন ঠিকঠাক মতো
পরে আমরা বরং খালকে নেই আমরা বরং ইইব আমরা বরং খাইয়া ইগো আস্তে আস্তে কাইয়া হয়ে দেখি হয়ে গেছে
দরজাটা লাগাইয়াও বা পাতাকে বাড়িয়াও
ও উচিত করি
আমি বাবা সিটকাইটা লাগাইলাম আর বিলাইও ঢুকে যায় মাঝখানে সিটকারি
মাঝখানে
লাগাই
তো তুই আই আমরা খাই যাই ও ওরে ভিডিও সে ও তোমার আইলেও নি তুই একটু সাবধানে হয়ে দিয়ে
আজকে করলে প্রেজেন্টেশন ভালো হতো
কত পাপ দিছি কি দরকার নাই বেশি আমি মনে করি কি তা সাদা সাইদা আপনার পেশা দি রাখবে পাপ দিছি দি লাগে পেশা তো উনকা কে দি করি তো আমি
একটু তেরা উঠা
কেন যেমন ব্ল্যাকে মানে হোয়াইটের মধ্যে ব্ল্যাক আর কেন না কেন ব্ল্যাকের মধ্যে হোয়াইট মানে
ব্ল্যাক এন্ড
হোয়াইট আর এখানে হোয়াইটের মধ্যে
Numerical control is the automation. Numerical control is the automation. Numerical control is the automation of machine tools that are operated by program command. Numerical control is the introduction. Numerical control is the today most CNC is operated by computer named CNC. In which computer play an integral part of the trick. In which computer play an integral part of the control. Numerical control is the automation of machine tools that are operated by program command. Today most CNC is operated by computer named CNC, computer numerical control. Why choose this project? In many factories around the world use CNC machine. Even in Bangladesh, many factories use this machine, but the technology to create a CNC machine is not available in Bangladesh. This project select in order to develop the technology in our country. Methodology. Methodology. First, an image and black white image is input in MATLAB. MATLAB will detect each black pixel of the image. MATLAB will detect each black pixel of the image and will create a list of coordinate position pixels. After creating this list, coordinate position of each point. The structure of CNC machine. The most important part is CNC machine. The structure of the CNC machine. The most important part of the CNC machine is linear actuator. As our CNC machine is two-dimensional, so it contains two linear actuators. One linear actuator move backwards. One linear actuator move backwards x-axis around. Another actuator move y-axis. This is a picture of our CNC machine structure. This is the structure of CNC machine. Linear actuation. Here the linear actuation is operated by conversion of rotation motion into linear motion. For the rotation we use stepper motor. Here the linear actuator is operated by conversion of rotation motion into linear motion. For the rotation motion we use stepper motor. For linear motion we use ruler screw. Linear actuator trooper. For true motion, linear actuator work for the rotation motion. Linear actuator. of linear actuator. 5 step stepper motor operated by every signal plus received by its controller. Five stepper motor. 5 stepper motor. Stepper motor operated by every why stepper motor? Stepper motor is operated by every signal received by its operator, received by its controller. Stepper motor operates by every signal pulse received by its controller. If the controller of the stepper motor does not provide any signal pulse, it does not move. The other result, every step of the linear actuator can be controlled accurately by computer. How the mechanism? Mechanism. Let's understand the mechanism. The work table have to move from a point to another. Its part shown as the given. Mechanism. This is our project outline. This is our outline. Introduction. Numerical control is the automation of CNC tools, which is operated data operated by numerical control. Numerical control is the automation. Numerical control is the automation of machine tools. Numerical control is the automation of machine tools that are operated by program command. Now, a numerical control is operated by computer, and so it is called CNC, computer numerical control. Why choose in this project? Many factories around the world use CNC machine. Even in Bangladesh, many factories use this project, this technology.
শেষ খাম মানে জানি তে খাস শেষ খুব হইছে